Hi, Tong is growing fast. A major new hire and a brand new way to support your favorite apps just launched. Let's dive right in. First up, Tong Foundation appoints Martin Masser as head of growth. We are excited to welcome Martin Masser to the Tong Foundation as our new head of growth. Martin brings a wealth of experience to the role with over 10 years in crypto industry, nearly 2 decades in FX banking, senior roles at global financial institutions, including HSBC and BNP Paribas. Previously the CBDO at TongFi, Martin now joins Tong to help scale our global presence and drive adoption of the open network. Welcome aboard, Martin. We are thrilled to have you on this journey. Next, voting is now live in the Telegram App Center. Make your voice heard through voting, a brand new way to support your favorite apps and get rewarded for your great taste. Head to the App Center now to see it live in action. 1. Open any app. 2. Tap Upvote after using it at least once. And 3. You are in. The top 50 most active voters will each receive an exclusive NFT gift. Time to explore, vote, and climb the ranks. That's all for now. Don't forget to vote for your favorite apps and keep an eye out for more updates from the Tong ecosystem. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for what's next. See you soon.